Ever struggled with keeping your car spotless on the go? Tired of crumbs, dirt, and pet hair taking over your seats and floor mats? What if I told you there's a portable solution designed to make car cleaning quick and easy? Let's explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. Armor All Utility Vacuum Cleaner is your ultimate cleaning companion. Abundant attachments. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with essential components such as blower or adapter nozzle, crevice tool, round dust brush, vac assembly, extension wand, detail brush nozzle, utility nozzle, deluxe car nozzle, floor brush, base assembly, reusable cloth filter, and foam wet filter. About product. A compact and portable vacuum perfect for cars, trucks, and RVs, featuring onboard hose and accessory storage for complete organization and versatile wet and dry cleaning capabilities. The crevice tool reaches tight spaces for thorough cleaning, while the detail brush tackles dashboards, vents, and screens, easily converts to a blower for drying motorcycles, car grills, and wheels. Product description. The Armor All Utility Vacuum designed for powerful and convenient cleaning. It includes handle, on-off switch, power head, accessory storage, hose storage, latch, vacuum port, collection tank, and blower port. Assembly instructions. To assemble your vacuum, follow these simple steps to securely attach the necessary components that are: make sure the power cord is unplugged, undo the latches, lift the power head off the collection tank, remove the contents from inside the collection tank. For dry vacuuming, use the reusable cloth filter provided. For wet vacuum cleaning, install the supplied foam filter, place the power head on the tank, align it with the latches, and snap it into place. Insert the large end of the hose into the port, and choose the desired accessories and insert onto the end of the hose. Dry vacuum operation. For dry vacuum operation, make sure the power cord is unplugged. For dry vacuuming, ensure the filter fully covers the filter cage. Place the power head on the tank and secure it with the latches. Insert the large end of the hose into the tank port and attach the desired accessory to the other end. Make sure the power cord is plugged and turn on the motor by flipping the switch to I. When done, flip the switch to O and unplug the cord. For liquid vacuum operation, repeat the wet operation by using foam wet filter. Blower operation. Empty the tank. Remove the hose from the vacuum port and insert it into the blower port. Fit the desired attachment to the hose. By using this powerful blowing capabilities, you can remove even the tiniest dirt particles from carpets and floors. How to use. To use the Armor All Utility Vacuum, first plug it into a power source, usually a standard electrical outlet, depending on the model. Attach the appropriate nozzle or brush for the task, such as the crevice tool for tight spaces or the brush for upholstery. Turn on the vacuum using the power switch and move it over the surface to collect dirt and debris. After use, empty the dust container, clean the filter if necessary, and store the vacuum properly for future use. Maintenance. For maintenance of filters, firstly, make sure the power cord is unplugged. Slide reusable cloth filter down over the filter cage. Make sure the cage is completely covered, secure it with the latches. Carefully remove the reusable cloth filter from the filter cage. Use a mild soap and water solution to wash reusable cloth filter and rinse with clean water. Repeat the procedure for maintenance of foam wet filter, and allow the wet filters to air dry for 24 hours before installing onto the filter cage. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.